Buddhist Yezing described their capital at Palembang as a great center of Buddhist learning, where the emperor supported over 1,000 monks at his court. Yezing also testified to the importance of Buddhism as early as the year 671 and advised future Chinese pilgrims to spend a year or two in this city. Atisha studied there before traveling to Tibet as a missionary. As Srivijaya extended, the empire extended, Buddhism thrived and also became a part of local syncretism that incorporated several different religions such as Hinduism and other indigenous traditions. The island of Java also promoted Mahayana Buddhist culture. The Medang kingdom, 732 to 1006, despite being a major rival of Srivijaya. They are known for their monumental temple building activities, temple constructions, especially the massive Borobudur, as well as Kalasan, Sheyu, and Prambanan. Indonesian Buddhism, alongside Hinduism, contributed to thrive under Majapahit Empire, which is from 1293 to 1527, but was completely replaced afterwards with the advent of the Islams. Now let us talk about Buddhism in Myanmar and Thailand. Buddhism in Myanmar, which was known as Burma previously, flourished after its decline in India, though by 5th century AD, other religions coexisted there. After the decline of Buddhism in the Indian mainland, Theravada Buddhist monks from Sri Lanka undertook missionary efforts in Burma, Thailand, Cambodia, and Laos, and they were successful in converting all these religions to Theravada Buddhism, Buddhism which has Theravada in Sri Lanka. King Anwarhak from 1014 to 1078, the founder of the Pagan Empire, adopted the Theravadian Buddhist faith from Sri Lanka and built numerous Buddhist temples in the capital of Pagan. Invasions from the Burmese and the Mongols weakened Theravadas in this region, and it had during the time of Mon Hantawadi Kingdom 1287 to 1552, Theravada Buddhism was a dominant religion in Burma, with strong ties with the Sri Lankan Buddhism. One of the four kings, Dhammajedi, is particularly known for reformation of Burmese Buddhism from the Sri Lankan Mahavihar tradition between 1476 and 1479. Theravada remained the official religion of the subcontinent. Burma Tungai dynasty in 1510 to 1752. During the reign period of Khmer king Jayavarman VII, who ruled over from 1181 to 1218, Theravada Buddhism was promoted by the royal family and Sri Lankan monks, including his son Tamalinand, who himself had traveled to Sri Lanka. During 13th and 14th centuries, Theravada became a prominent religion in Cambodia, and monasteries replaced the local priestly worship houses. Theravada faith was also adopted by the Thai kingdom of Sukhothai as the state religion during the reign of Ram Khamhaeng from 1237 to 1247 to 1298. Theravada Buddhism was further reinforced during the Ayutthaya period from 14th to 18th century AD, becoming an integral part of Thai society. Now, when we are seeing about the growth of Buddhism in different regions, let us focus on Buddhism in modern times. What is the state of Buddhism in modern times? The modern era brought new challenges to the Buddhist religion, which was influenced by various colonial powers, by colonization of traditionally Buddhist Asian countries by the Western power, and thus it weakened the traditional practice or traditional political structure which supported the region, as well as criticism and competition for Christianity. When the colonial rulers started spreading their activities in those areas, so naturally Buddhism came in conflict with the religion they preached. Wars, communism, growth of capitalism, science and regional political instability, as well as influential pressure on modern Buddhism was always felt. However, a religion which adopted changes to suit to the time, Buddhism continued to remain in the world